Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are safe at your home. Take care of your parents as well. Open your English book, grade 6 English book, unit number 23, The Merchant of Venus, page number 124. Page number 124, exercise B, number the phrases according to the given words. Number the phrases according to the given words. Words are given over here. First word is merchant. Second, happen. 3, delighted. 4, lend. 5, flesh. 6, companion. 7, unwilling. 8, escape. 9, permission. 10, pursuit. These words are given in the table and you will number it according to the phrases. Phrases are also given over here. Let's read out. Give somebody money for a limited period of time. Soft tissue of body. Get somebody to do something. Avoid bad situations. Somebody who buys and sells goods. Allowing something to be done. Take place. Friend. Not wanting to do. Very pleased. These are the phrases which are given in your book and these words are given in the table. So you will match it with the correct phrase and write the correct word over here. Let's start it. Your first sentence is lend, give somebody money for a limited period of time. So if you give money to someone for a limited period of time and you want to take back this money, it's called lend. Second is flesh, soft tissue of body. It's called flesh. Number 3, persuade, get somebody to do something. Escape, avoid bad situation. It's mean if you want to run away from the situation, you really fed up from the situation, so it's called escape. Number 5, merchant, somebody who buy and sells goods. The ones who are running a business is called merchant. Permission, allow something to be done. If you give permission, allow to someone to do something is called permission. Happen, take place. If the things are take place anywhere, it's called happen. Companion, it's mean friend. Unwilling, not wanted to do. If you do not want to do something, it's called unwilling. Delighted, very pleased. It's mean if you are overexcited, it's called delighted. Do written practice of these words and this table and send your practice on our given WhatsApp number. It will be highly appreciated if you learn it and do it by your own. Thank you so much and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.